invite Mr. Deepak Jain, Vice President ACMA, Chairman and Managing Director, Lumax Industries Limited, to propose vote of thanks for this valedictory session. Mr. Deepak Jain, thank you.
Shri Rajan Vadera ji, President SIAM, Shrivats, FR, Vinny, Dinesh, our esteemed customers, friends from the automotive industry, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. When someone comes for the vote of thanks, you know it's going to conclude very soon, and we can all have a good day. But it's really an honor and privilege for me to actually thank and express our gratitude at an industry auto component platform where we are witness to so many of our OEMs coming in and giving their blessings today. First and foremost, my congratulations to all the winners of the ACMA Awards 2018. I truly believe the ACMA Awards have actually become one of the most coveted awards in the automotive industry, and it's really an honor when companies walk up and actually are bestowed the honor by our customers who we work tirelessly for. Today and yesterday, I think one message was very clear. ACMA, although is committed for future opportunities by making an India program a reality through further localizations, it would not be enough. I think we would also have to take on technology and facilitate this transformation to remain competitive. On behalf of ACMA, I would like to also sincerely express my gratitude to Shri Rajan Vadera ji, President SIAM. Sir, under your exemplary leadership with SIAM, I hope that we continue to nurture this symbiotic relationship which we have between SIAM and ACMA, and we continue to make it stronger. Also, sir, thank you very much for chairing the ACMA Awards jury panel. Your astute insights and recommendations have indeed enriched this year's program, and we'll definitely incorporate all your valuable suggestions to improve our awards process further. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that all of you present here today have benefited in some way by ACMA's interventions through the cluster programs, trainings, and seminars. Sir, many OEMs were here, and you facilitated them. And I hope that Mahindra also gives ACMA an opportunity to start the cluster programs so that we can jointly benefit the industry. The ACMA pillar of skilling, training, and mentoring continues to offer value-added programs, and I'm thankful to the current chairman, FRS, who continues to lead this. Also, Shrivats, I thank you for actually laying a very, very strong foundation. I think your passion for ACT, your knowledge, and the way you've actually helped the industry grow and made a structure for this. I know you're a past president, but not just your contribution towards the industry, but specifically on skilling has been exemplary. ACMA has also set up a center of excellence in September last year at the IIT Delhi Sonipat campus. The mandate is to impart world-class technical training to auto component manufacturers and to make us future-ready. I'm pleased to inform that yesterday we actually signed 5 MOUs. Maruti Center of Excellence, MACE, IIT Delhi, VDA Germany, Cardiff University, UK, and AOTS Japan. They all will be our knowledge partners for the ACMA Center of Excellence, and we really look forward to their support in delivering world-class circular to our membership. I'm also grateful to UNIDO in enabling our small and medium enterprises in realizing the benefits of this cluster program. Let me also take this opportunity to thank all my friends and colleagues from the industry and from the media who are present here today to support in this small endeavor to upgrade and skill the industry. My special thanks also, of course, to all the sponsors without whose contribution this event would not have been possible. I think we witnessed very engaging sessions over the last 2 days, and I'm confident that each of us has been enriched and also become more knowledgeable, because straight from our OEMs, the message was very, very clear be it Industry 4.0, be it agility, the speed of change. I think, sir, we have always, as an industry, from decades, you've been pushing us to change. Change is the only constant in this industry, but knowing what lies ahead, we will take that as more opportunities rather than challenges. And I think many of your support, your blessings, and your continued guidance will make sure that this component industry will evolve and India should reach the platform which it deserves truly globally. Thank you for also our esteemed speakers and panelists, some of who have also traveled from overseas. Lastly, this event would also have not been possible without the tireless effort of our secretariat, and I want to congratulate the entire ACMA team for yet another impressive show. We will see each other next year. Thank you very much.